So basically we both have everything on it, right? Yeah. Is that right, Hughes?
Yeah.
X up those fries, my guy. Thank you, sir. Hughes, your mine has feta?
Yeah.
Hook me up when you have a chance. Thank you, sir. That's perfect. Mind, sir. Go ahead. Thank you. Pepper sauce. Thank you, sir. Step a little left. Thank you. Xavier, oil up the right side of the grill. I'm coming with a burrito. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
There you go. What else now? Oh, wrap. Now have chicken.
What chicken? What chicken? Say oil so I can know, my guy.
Oh, oil.
Thank you.
One fork.
Thank you. Got, yeah, thank you, X. Pork's coming all the way, Hughes. That's me all the way, Hughes.
Thank you.
It looks beautiful.
No cut.
Thank you, sir. Spin her up. No cut, done. That's perfect, bro. Good job, man. Thank you. Yalla, that's it. Never again. Yep. We said never again cut. Let's go, man.
Thank you.
Let's go. Thank you. There's your paper. There's their blue ski. Hurry up so I can go in there too, right? Slide down. We're writing on both of these, big guy. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Writing on both, sir. Thank you. You had the Opa wrap. Thank you, Hughes. T, can you make your way here, please? You can put ready for pickup for Carly and ready for pickup for Lested as well. Thank you. You should just put them in because the fries didn't get a timer down, and they probably need about 30 seconds.
Thank you.
Thank you. Use your fries up. Yep. Yo, I'm gonna go. It's a Greek fry, right? It's a Greek fry, right? It's a crazy fry, right? Bring the box down. Don't throw them in the basket. Don't throw them in the basket. Thank you. Wrap this one.
There you go.
Finish her off. Thank you, sir. That's the barnyard, big man. Thank you. Sorry. T, stop for a second. T, stop for a second. Give that to Yugi. Yugi, take off with that. Thank you. T, stay right here. Fuck, forgot to hit the paper. T, walk around me. A burrito, a soca wrap, and a burrito, whatever it is inside there, madam. Thank you. That's the entire order. Thank you very, very much. Thank you.